Alright, I'm back. Have you ever been like in a situation where you're peckish and like I could order something, but at the same time I don't want to order anything because it's irresponsible, but at the same time I'm kind of hungry. And like there's my left side brain is like, don't do it, and my right side brain is like, oh, you should do it. And I want some drinks too. So I went and I had some cheese. I love string cheese, but it's not enough. I still want something more. Haba haba. See, do you see how her cleavage looks like a pussy? Some fish. England. Bacon. What's the name for the fusion of Greek? Hellenistic? I don't know, but anyway. Reconquista. Reconquista from the Moors, right? Which album was Sammy Hagar's first as the lead singer of Van Halen? Van Halen? Alright. Sammy Hagar first album. With Van Halen. 9 on a 10 scale of 5.50. Which American company began mass producing automobiles in 1913? Ford. Nation built a wall dividing Berlin in. Oh, it's East Germany. What's the main ingredient of Tom Yam Goong? 13 states. It's a beetle. It's Lenin. Andes. After this, we're gonna play some Yakuza. It's time to go back. Police. Chicago. Everest. Milan. It's a raccoon. T-Tax. 40. Highest water level in the world. Okay, I'm not gonna bother. Like Titicaca is Titicaca. Which one of these is not one of the Great Lakes? So Chaplin. When did Jimi Hendrix do at the Monterey prop? He broke it. He broke it. I'm pretty certain that he broke it, but broke his guitar, spun his guitar, so he broke it, right? He set it on fire. Okay. Which of these is a vehicle? A bicycle? Pillar of flame caused by an eruption on is a prominence. Which of these is not a multiple of 12? So 12, 24, 30, or 60. So 12 times 5 is 60. So it's 30, right? Which of these is not found in Paris, Buckingham? Which of these insects does not pupate? I think it's a cricket, right? Pupate. Yeah. Which of the following is a programming language? Lincoln was which president of the United States? I think he was the 20. He was the 16th president of the USA. Which of these units is used to measure current? So current is... So joule is work. It's power. Coulomb so electricity, so volt is for voltage. That's a differential, as a potential differential. So you have different electrical potentials in a circuit, and so the difference is the voltage. And you have ampere. So coulomb, I think it's literally how many electrons are flowing. But current is not necessarily that. Current is the rate of change. And amperes, it's amperes. It's electric current. Okay. Yes, I'm not stupid. Which of these was not invented during the Renaissance? The steam engine? Surprising. Also another known, it's a program. What's the main ingredient of cake? What base is the Babylonian counting method? It's 60. Which of these machines played music? Is cassette deck. The award ceremony for the Nobel Prize is held in what city? It's in Stockholm, I think, right? Stockholm, yeah. Yogurt. Which of these works was produced by Leonardo da Vinci? Last Supper. Who founded the Yellow Hat sect Dalai Lama? Hungry like the world. Yeah, Sunan Duran. War of the Roses, Lancaster. Which element is represented by Fe is iron? What is the currency of America? Dollar. Which DNA is like a double helix. What's the temperature of cigarette flame? Is 310 degrees. There's a shitload of advertisements in Japan warning people about that. So that's why I remember 300 degrees. It's probably 200. Oh no, oh god. So we're already half in. One in four. What's another common name for computer software? It's a program. Which of these now one blooded animal? It's Shaku. Which of these empires lasted longest? The Mongol, the Ottoman? Oh, come on. Alright. Was 5 years. Lenin, DC to Chicago, 76 years. Which city was not included in Britain's 3C policy? What's the 3C policy? I'm sorry, I'm gonna look that up. Cape Town, Cairo, Caracas, and Calcutta. So Caracas is from Venezuela, so. But Cape Town. Cape Town is in South Africa. Okay, I remember now. So it's in South Africa, which is a British colony. So in Cairo. So that's Egypt, Calcutta, that's India. Okay, so they did have a hand in there. Kolkata, Calcutta. All right, anyway. Oh, shoot, I didn't mean to hit it. Well, I mean to hit that. I do want to hit that. I'll be right back.